Hello my friends and welcome once again to Tony's Comfort Kitchen. Now today I'm redoing a video I made a few months ago. It's a coronation chicken, a dish that was made to commemorate the coronation of Queen Elizabeth II way back in 1952, and today I am redoing that video for her Platinum Jubilee. So to start off, I am going to poach slowly 2 chicken breasts on a very low bubble. Poach them very slowly, and what this will do is will cook them, but they will retain a lot of moisture in the breasts because you don't want to dry them out. I add salt and pepper to the water, and then the zest of 1 lemon. As I say, cook them on a very low bubble for around 15 minutes until they're cooked through, then take them off the heat and leave them in the liquid for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to a frying pan, and I add 1 chopped shallot, fairly finely chopped, and 1 red chilli. Give them a good mix, cook them through for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add some salt and pepper. After a few minutes, I add 2 teaspoons of mild curry powder. Again, give it a good mix, let that curry powder cook in to the oil. And after a couple of minutes, I add 2 tablespoons of tomato or concentrated tomato puree. Again, let that cook in for a few minutes. And I then pour in 200 millilitres of white wine. Keep cooking and obviously let that liquid reduce by about half. Oh yes, please subscribe. With the liquid reduced, I add 1 tablespoon of apricot jam. Oh yes. Let that jam melt into the sauce. Then cook until it's starting to get fairly thick, and then put to one side and leave it to cool. In the meantime, we get the now cooled chicken breasts and cut them up into bite-sized pieces. I then take 150 millilitres of mayonnaise and 75 millilitres of creme fraiche and mix them together in a bowl. And then add the now cooled curry mixture. Look at that colour, it looks amazing. Yeah, mix it all together. I then add a small handful of chopped apricots that I've soaked in hot water just to plump them up. And 3 chopped spring onions. plus the juice of 1 lemon. And a small handful of chopped coriander or cilantro. Give it a good mix before adding in your chopped chicken. And then mix it in. That chicken, by the way, was so delicious. Very, very succulent as a result of that slow poaching. And then serve it up on a bed of lettuce leaves. And finally sprinkle over some toasted flaked almonds. And the dish is done. Talk about a dish fit for a queen? Give it a go yourselves. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell, and you will be notified of any videos that I upload in future. So I'd like to say thank you very much for watching. Take care, peace and love, see you soon.